In today's video, you will learn how to animate images in CapCut PC. Animating images is a simple but powerful way to bring still pictures to life and make your videos look more dynamic and engaging. This technique is widely used in slideshows, YouTube videos, presentations, social media edits, and storytelling content where static visuals alone may feel too plain. With CapCut, you can easily apply smooth motion effects to any image without needing advanced editing experience. To begin, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project so you have a clean workspace for your edit. Once your project is ready, import the image you want to animate by clicking the Import option. After the image appears in your media library, drag it directly onto the timeline so it becomes part of your project. This step places your image into the editing sequence where all effects and animations will be applied. Next, click on the image clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. This is important because the animation settings will only apply to the active clip you have highlighted. Once selected, move over to the right side panel and open the Animation tab. Inside this section, you will find different animation options designed to control how your image enters, exits, or moves within the video. CapCut organizes these into categories such as in, out, and combo, each serving a different purpose for how the animation behaves. After choosing the category, browse through the available animation styles and select one that fits your project. Common options include fade, zoom, slide, and other motion-based effects that help add movement to your image. Each style creates a different visual feel, so choosing the right one depends on the mood and pacing of your video. Once you select an animation, you can adjust its duration using the slider if you want it to play faster or slower. Shorter durations create quick transitions, while longer ones make the movement feel smoother and more gradual. After adjusting the settings, use the play button to preview how the animation looks in real time. This allows you to check if the motion feels natural and matches the style of your edit. If needed, you can go back and try different animation styles or timing adjustments until you are satisfied with the result. Once everything looks good, finalize your project by exporting the video using the Export option in the top right corner. And that is how you animate images in CapCut PC to create more engaging and visually dynamic videos.